So now we are going to start about the nerves of the face, then we will talk about the arteries and the veins, that all the structures. ये तो लैग कर रहा है यार, ये तो आ नहीं रहा, मैं तो लिख रहा हूँ ये 1 2 3 4 लैग कर रहा है। मैं 1 2 3 4 डायग्राम बना चुका हूँ, लिख चुका हूँ, अभी तक आया नहीं है। हाँ हाँ मैंने हाँ काफी पहले 1 2 3 4 बोला था, अब ये शो हो रहा है, फिर से कर रहा हूं ना। आई एम राइटिंग 1 2 3 4 लिख चुका हूं ना मैं इधर। दोबारा ओके, ये क्या स्क्रीन मिररिंग सब हटाऊं? वन टू थ्री फोर लिख चुका हूं मैं। हाँ ठीक है, अब ठीक है, इतना चलेगा। So now today we are going to talk about the face. So today's topic is the face nerve supply. So here we are going to talk about the nerves of face. Two types of the nerve, motor and sensory. So one by one we will talk. The motor nerve is the facial nerve terminal branches, while the sensory nerve is the trigeminal nerve. Again this trigeminal nerve is divided into the fifth one, fifth two and the fifth three, also pronounced as the V1, V2 and the V3 nerves. So today we are going to talk about this all. Okay, so now we are going to talk this about this all the things. फिर से लिखूं? So what are the branches of the V1? You can remember by the L-I-E. Supratrochlear, supraorbital, lacrimal, infraorbital and external nasal nerve. V2 branches you can remember by the Z-I-Z. Okay, yes, zygomaticofacial, zygomaticotemporal and infraorbital. And V3 is MBA. You can remember by the mental nerve, buccal nerve, auriculotemporal nerve. So these are the branches of the V1, V2 and the V3. Facial nerve, you can remember the branches in this way. So what are the branches? Temporal branch, next is the zygomatic branch, next is the buccal branch, next nerve is the marginal mandibular and last nerve is the cervical. हाँ हेलो, नहीं ठीक है, सब फाइन है। हम्म हम्म हाँ 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 ओके ठीक है ठीक ठीक ओके हाँ ओके स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग करके ही क्लास लेना है ठीक है ओके ओके hello dear students, so very soon we are going to start the class. Okay, so just check all the audio video all things are clear or not. Okay, so is it everything is okay? So we are going to start the today's class. So give me the confirmation at the telegram. Okay, so now we are starting the further part, face. So we are going to talk about this face part. So we were following the textbook so that you can get easy the things from your booklets, from your college book. Okay, so after this all the muscle is not too much important, just for your specimen viva we have seen. Okay, I think hope everything is okay. Okay, yeah. So we are now going to talk about the nerves. Yes, this is the nerve supply of the face which is given in your 8th edition of the BD Chaurasia, volume 3rd, page number 71. Okay, so here we are going to talk about the nerve supply of the face. First we will talk about the motor nerve, then we will talk about the sensory nerves. Getting the point? So just see here, you can write down the notes. Today's topic is nerve supply of face. As you know that nerve supply of any part of our body mainly under the two categories. One which controls the activity movement, that is known as motor nerve. Getting the point? While another where which are they are responsible to carry the sensation from the periphery part towards the brain, that are known as sensory nerves. So you can prepare the notes also. Yes, nerve supply of the face. So this is very old MCQ, no excuse. Yes, you have to remember what is the nerve supply. Yes, you have to remember the nerve supply. Motor nerve is the facial nerve, MCQ. The motor nerve of the face, facial nerve, while the sensory nerve of the face is the fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve. Getting the point? So these are the two important MCQs. Okay, हाँ प्रशांत भाई. Okay, okay. Just we are editing the Yes. Hello dear students, we are starting the again today's class, today's topic. First little bit sorry, yes, due to the delay I am really sorry for that. Due to the urgent work I was unable to take at the correct time, but we will take the complete class today. Okay, 3 hours complete class we will take. Okay, so last class we have seen all the things which are important for our undergraduates as well as our next level MCQ, the muscles of the face, the panniculus carnosus. Okay, now see here, after that dissection wise, yes, skin, then superficial fascia, then deep fascia was absent here, then we have seen the muscles. In specimen these muscles may be asked or few MCQs may be asked. Okay, but now we are going to see the nerve supply, then we will see arterial supply, then we will see venous drainage, and last we will see the lymphatic drainage of the face. Okay, so try to understand what are the various nerves of the face. Any part whenever you are studying, there are the two types of the nerves. What are the two types of the nerves? Yes, motor nerve and another is sensory nerve of face. So this is very old MCQ. This is very old MCQ that motor nerve of the face is the facial nerve shown with the Roman number 7th, while the sensory nerve of the face is the trigeminal nerve. Getting the point? Yes, trigeminal nerve, which is shown with the Roman number 5th cranial nerve. Okay, so now see what are the various branches of the facial nerve which are supplying the face. Okay, so you can follow the image from the BD Chaurasia. Can you see? You have to follow the figure number 2.12. Yes, this is the image, figure number 2.12. You can follow. Okay, see here, the facial nerve comes out through the one foramen which is in between the styloid process and the mastoid process. So the nerve is coming out, that is known as stylomastoid foramen. So facial nerve is coming out from the stylomastoid foramen, and then it is coming just near to the parotid region. We will see in the parotid gland. Then ultimately we will see detail in parotid gland, but ultimately this facial nerve is dividing into the 5 division. So there are the temporal division, zygomatic division, and then buccal division, and then marginal mandibular, and then cervical division. So you can remember with this image. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. So these are 5 terminal divisions. Okay, these are 5 terminal divisions of the facial nerve. You can remember by keeping the hand over the our cheek region. Okay, so now you can mention what are the branches of the facial nerve. Yes, what are the branches of the facial nerve one by one? First, temporal division, because it is going to the temporal side. Next, over the zygomatic bone, that's why zygomatic division. Next one, yes, next branch is running over the cheek region. So temporal, zygomatic, and then cheek buccal region. So your answer is the buccal division, or you can say buccal nerve. Later we will see it will divide into the upper buccal and the lower buccal. Yes, it will divide into the upper and lower buccal nerve. Getting the point? Now after that, next branch is going towards the margin of the mandible. So easy. Yes, this branch is running towards the margin of the mandible. That's why this is known as marginal mandibular nerve. Okay, and next one is last branch is going towards the neck. So this branch is known as cervical division or cervical nerve. So remember, these are the 5 branches. You can remember by just keeping the hand over the cheek region or buccal region. Now we are going to talk about the trigeminal nerve. Got the point? So trigeminal nerve We will discuss this trigeminal nerve in detail later. But can you see here this diagrammatic presentation? Okay, so we will draw this diagram, but you can see the trigeminal. Why this nerve is known as a trigeminal? Because this nerve is having the three gemina, three division. That's why this nerve is known as a trigeminal. This nerve is having three division. One is going towards the eye, that's why ophthalmic division. Another division is going towards the our zygomatic region. Okay, getting the point? Towards the maxilla. So this is known as maxillary division. Another division is going towards the mandible, so that yes, it is known as the mandibular division. So you can remember that trigeminal nerve, it is having the three gemina. Yes, we will see in detail the trigeminal nerve, but you can draw the one diagram. This is the trigeminal nerve. Now this trigeminal nerve is dividing into the three division, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the three division. So this is the fifth cranial nerve. Yes, later we will see it is enclosed within the dura mater cave. Okay, now this fifth nerve is dividing into the fifth one, fifth 2 and the fifth 3, which is also pronounced as the V1, V2, V3. Okay, so here are few MCQ. This is the trigeminal nerve, also known as the Gasserian ganglion, large mass. Okay, large mass of the fifth cranial nerve. Okay, within the cranial cavity, that is known as the Gasserian ganglion, also known as trigeminal ganglion. Now you can observe one another MCQ here. Yes, this trigeminal nerve is enclosed within cave of dura mater. There is a fold of the dura mater around the trigeminal ganglion. This cave of the dura mater was studied by the Meckel's. That's why it is known as the Meckel's cave. So this is the MCQ. Meckel's cave is nothing. It is the fold of the dura mater, covering of the dura mater around the trigeminal nerve ganglion. Now it is dividing into three division, V1, V2, V3. So yes, V1 is going towards the eye region. That's why this is known as ophthalmic division. V2 is going towards the maxilla part. That's why it is known as maxillary division, while the V3 is going towards the mandible part. That's why it is known as mandibular division. Got the point? So now we are going to see how these different branches are dividing further more into the branches. So these are various MCQs as well as the Viva as well as the theory question. So just to see here, trigeminal nerve. Branches.